Hello there, cloud enthusiasts and tech-savvy individuals. I'm excited to share with you an enlightening journey into designing geographically distributed applications using Microsoft Azure. This guide will arm you with the knowledge needed to create robust, scalable, and efficient services that can conquer any operational challenge. Our first key technical point is implementing a global distribution strategy. Imagine your e-commerce application, Epic Deals, that strives to reach European customers without latency issues. For this, set up regional Azure services in multiple regions, effectively mirroring the physical presence of Eurocentric countries. Implement Azure Traffic Manager or Azure Front Door for intelligent routing, ensuring users access the nearest instance. Our next pivotal point is the establishment of a high-availability architecture. Suppose Epic Deals faces an unexpected surge in users during a major sale event. A scalable, on-demand architecture coupled with Azure's auto-scale feature can react in real time, spinning up new instances to distribute the load, thus preventing website crashes and maintaining customer satisfaction. Finally, we delve into the realm of consistent data replication across regions. Consider the Epic Deals loyalty program where customers earn points they can redeem at local stores. By replicating these points data across Azure regions, customers from different locations see a consistent value, and transactions continue smoothly, even if one region faces an outage. To encapsulate a solid grasp on regional distribution, scalability, and seamless data replication is the trifecta for building a successful Azure-based geographically distributed application. Want to conquer the geographical distribution puzzle and thrive as an IT professional? Stay tuned for more insights and don't forget to visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab for more technological wisdom. See you soon. Now, here are some follow-on instructions that are